Welcome to Padakala and Academy. Now in this section, what is the concept there means? Quadratic equations. What is the meaning of a quadratic equation? The general formation of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is called by the general formation of a quadratic equation where a is not equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. Here x is called by the variable. X is called by the variable. First in this section, what is the first model? Model 1 means given equation is in the form of quadratic equation or not. Quadratic equation or not. How to check that means, for example, 3x minus 1 whole square equal to 2x whole square. It is in the form of a quadratic equation or not. How to check there means, expand this one, 9x square minus 6x plus 1 equal to 4x square. That 4x square also this side will come. 9x square minus 4x square, 5x square minus 6x plus 1 equal to 0. So it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So given equation is in the form of quadratic equation. At the same way, one more example if you check it. What is the example? That means now I will take 3x minus 1 whole square equal to 3x plus 1 whole square. It is a quadratic equation or not. Same manner if you check it. Expand 9x square minus 6x plus 1 equal to 9x square plus 6x plus 1. 9x square cancel. Plus 1 get cancel. That 6x also come this side. Minus 12x equal to 0. So x equal to 0. It is not in the form of quadratic equation because it is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It is the model 1. So given equation is in the form of a quadratic equation or not. First you simplify the total equation. The total equation after you check it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then if you conclude that given equation is in the form of a quadratic equation. Now next concept is solution of quadratic equation. What is the meaning of a solution? That means, for suppose ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. In this equation, you find out x value. X value that is called by the solution. That means this equation satisfying for which x value, that is called by the solution of the given quadratic equation. Here, how many methods will be there means 3 methods. The first one will be factorization. First method is factorization method. Second one, completing square method. Third one, formula method. So to find out solution of a quadratic equation, that means to find out x value, by using the three methods. What is the three methods there means? First one will be factorization, second one will be completing square method, third one will be formula method. Now one by one method will be explaining. Now if you see, by using the factorization method, here two problems are given. How to solve with the help of the factorization method? Find the roots of the equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0 by factorization. How to solve by using the factorization method? First, if you take given quadratic equation. What is the given quadratic equation? 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. First, always x square coefficient and constant. This is called by the constant. These both you multiply it. 3 2 jar 6. Here symbol is plus. Here symbol is plus. Plus into plus. Plus if you write. Now 6 factors if you write. 1 6 jar 6. 1 6 jar 6. 2 3 jar 6. Otherwise 3 2 jar 6. Otherwise 6 1 jar 6. This is the 6 factors. This is the step number 1. Step number 2. 2x square. Here minus symbol as you write. Now here symbol what? Plus. So plus man only think it. 6 plus 1. How much? 7. Here value will be 5. So don't consider this value. Now 5. 2 plus 3. How much? 5. Simple technique here. Plus symbol is there. That's why yard manually think it. That means in the place of 5 what I write there means 2 plus 3 into x you write. Plus 3 equal to 0. Now 2x square multiply minus 2x minus 3x plus 3 equal to 0. Now in this 2, what will be the common? What will be the common if you take it? 2x square minus 2x. 2x you take common. That means in the place of 2x square, 2x common. That means x minus 2x completely taken. That means only one time. Minus in this 2, what will be the common? That means 3 you take common. Minus 3. That means x minus 1 equal to 0. In this total, x minus 1 is the again common. X minus 1 is the common. That means x minus 1 if you take common, that means here 2x, here minus 3, that equal to 0. Now, you know already AB equal to 0 means either A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. Don't blind manner this one equal to 0, this one equal to 0. It is the condition. Any two values multiply 0, that means any one will be 0. That meaning x minus 1 equal to 0 or 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Now in this one x equal to 1, here 2x equal to 3, x value equal to 3 by 2. So what are the solution there means 1 comma 3 by 2. Simple technique. Here x power value 2. That's why 2x values you are getting. These two are called by the solution of this equation. This is the process of the factorization method. Same manner if you see the second problem. Find the roots of the quadratic equation x minus 1 by 3x equal to 1 by 6. It is not actually in the form of a quadratic equation. First you change into the quadratic equation. How to change the quadratic equation? That means take LCM. That means first you take given equation, take LCM. 3x, 3x square minus here 1 equal to 1 by 6. 1 by 6. Take cross multiplication. 6 3 jar 18x square minus 6 equal to 3x. 3x. Now this 3x also take to this side. 18x square minus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. In this one, what will be the common factor there means 3 if you take common. 3 6 are 18x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. This 3 take to other side. That means 6x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. Now it is in the form of a quadratic equation. Now same process if you apply before problem model only. 6 and minus 1 multiply. 6 and minus 1. How much this side? Minus 6 side you write. Now 6 factors as it is you write factors. 1 into 6, 2 into 3, 3 into 2, 6 into 1. Now here not with any value that means 1. 6x square minus as it is you write. Now 1. How to write 1? By using this combination there means don't confuse. Here symbol, what is the symbol? Minus. So 3 minus 2 1 or 3 minus 2 also 1. That's why in this 1 by using this symbol, how to write that means 3 minus 2 into x minus 1 equal to 0 you write. Some of the members are saying directly, but it is the easy way. 6x square minus 3x minus into minus plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Now in this 2, 3x is the common, that meaning 2x minus 1 plus 1 here you take to common because there is no common factor equal to 0. Again 2x minus 1 will be the common. So 3x plus 1 equal to 0. 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Same condition. A b equal to 0, a equal to 0 or b equal to 0. That meaning 2x minus 1 equal to 0, 2x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 2. It is the one solution. In the same manner, 3x plus 1 equal to 0, 3x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 1 by 3. So this problem also having the two solutions because here x square, here power value will be x square, that's why 2x values you are getting. This is the factorization method. Next class we will go to the another method. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and comment it. Thank you.